In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with layers in Adobe Acrobat Pro and provide some insights on managing them effectively. Let's dive in by opening up Adobe Acrobat Pro. This powerful tool is fantastic for viewing and manipulating PDF documents. Begin by opening the PDF file to which you want to add or manage layers. However, it's important to note a key limitation. Adobe Acrobat Pro itself does not allow you to create new layers directly within a PDF. Layers, also known as optional content groups or OCGs, are often crafted within design software like Adobe Illustrator, InDesign, or similar applications. Once designed, these files can be exported to PDF, and the layers that you created will remain intact, ready for your use in Acrobat. While Acrobat Pro doesn't offer layer creation, it provides robust options for viewing and managing layers. To access the layer management features, navigate your mouse to the menu bar at the top. Click on View, then move to Show Hide. Select navigation panes from the drop-down, and finally click on Layers. As soon as you do this, the Layers panel will emerge, displaying all the layers currently present in your PDF. You can toggle the visibility of these layers by clicking on the eye icon next to each one. This simple action can help you refine what is visible at any given time, allowing you more control over how the document is presented and perceived. For those who want to add or edit layers, consider going back to software like Adobe Illustrator or InDesign. These programs will allow you to create new layers or adjust existing ones before you export the document again as a PDF. Alternatively, you might explore other specialized PDF editing software that supports layer creation if you need more than just viewing and toggling in Acrobat. Now, if your focus is on organizing content within Acrobat itself without delving into other software, there are effective alternatives to layering that can help you structure your content. For instance, make good use of PDF comments. They allow annotations that can clarify content without altering the actual layers. Additionally, you can use tags to give your PDF a logical order, especially for accessibility purposes, or implement bookmarks as a navigational aid, making it easier for viewers to jump to sections of your document swiftly. So, while you can't add new layers directly with Adobe Acrobat Pro, understanding how to interact with existing layers, as well as utilizing these alternative organization tools, can greatly enhance your efficiency and output quality. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial, and take a moment to explore these features to see how they can benefit your document management workflow.